What could be more Italian than cannoli? It's that light, crispy shell all wrapped around a silky sweet filling. Now, cannoli are actually from the Italian island of Sicily, and everyone is always so impressed when I make these. I've pre-drained the ricotta because that just makes the filling nice and firm, and it means it won't run all over the place when you try to pipe the shells. Now, what gives the filling that extra kick? Blood orange. You can use regular oranges if that's what you've got, but then you wouldn't get this. Check it out. Look at that color. Now, you may be wondering why I'm wearing this fabulous apron. Well, it's not just because it's fabulous. This can get messy. Ooh, look at all that ruby-colored juice. Even though I have that blood orange in there, I'm gonna cheat just a little bit and amp things up with some food coloring. A little red, a little yellow. Now, the thing that makes cannoli shells really special is that they're crunchy, but they're also really light and airy. And so sifting the flour is what gets all of that air in there. Now, anytime that I can sneak chocolate into a recipe, you know it's going in there. And a little bit of butter, because butter makes everything better. I like to get my hands in there, and the secret to a really crumbly consistency is that cold butter. Now that's what I'm looking for. It's kind of like breadcrumbs. Red wine vinegar and a little bit of white wine give me some more flavor, but they also make the dough easier to work with. These guys just have to go into the fridge. Now, to get that classic cannoli shape, I'm going to use these handy metal tubes. You can get them at any baking store. And the key to keeping it all held together, egg white. And there we go. That jacket is not gonna open up in the boiling oil. The more I flare these ends, the more filling I can pack in. Now for the filling. You can see that blood orange zest everywhere. It's gonna be super tangy. And then that ricotta cheese, oh. Now, cannoli are not traditionally dipped in chocolate, but I'm not traditional. And I have to exercise some extreme self-control right now because these need to harden before I stuff them with my blood orange filling. All right, this is where the patience pays off. Now just tell me your friends are not gonna be impressed when you make this for them. We gotta see that filling on both sides. This is what Italians dream about at night. What could be more dolce vita than crunchy, creamy, sweet cannoli?